Hi, my name is Suria Affandi. I'm from Meraque. Part of my role as a COO in Meraque is to make an agriculture sexy. We are changing the methodology from what is actually doing a physical conventional job to doing a job with a drone. So what makes it different with the drone inspections in building? When we start inspecting everything, okay, we'll just stand still as a pilot. We'll just need to pilot all the drones and doing the inspections of image capturing. And at the end of the day, we'll just upload in the software and we produce a report. It will be more effective, it will be more efficient, and it only takes me about 2 weeks' time compared to the previous 6 months durations that we have to do in conventional way. During the heat of MCO, that is where the transitions we have from facilities management to an agriculture. In agriculture, we use a drone for servicing, and that is actually giving up a different level of productivity. There is an accuracy of how you do the spraying. So that makes a difference when we use a drone. We recorded the numbers of discharge of the chemicals. We record the numbers of whatever angle spraying is required. We help our clients to have that saving. We help them to actually execute with more productivity, with 5 times efficiency, with using drone for spraying purposes. So this is where MRANTI comes in and helps us, working together with us, getting an approval from authorities, getting the compliance right, and how we can develop in terms of creating a new workforce for us. That is what happened, and that's how MRANTI can help us best. So in agriculture, we are not only doing spraying services, we are doing all the starts from mapping, tree counting, we do the plant health check, and others. So expanding those, we are serving most of the plantations company in Malaysia. And we also do the training academy for all the trainings. That's how we develop Meraque as a group now. We re-energize the future with the use of hybrid technology, plus with the AI technologies that we have the solutions, hardware and software made by Meraque itself, and that is where we are going to increase 5 times productivity or more in agriculture plantations industry.